Do you want to climb big walls, but don't want to pay hundreds of dollars on a Portaledge? Well, in this video, we're gonna make a cheap, strong, lightweight Portaledge from a camping bed from Decathlon. First, you need to get yourself a camping bed from Decathlon. The bed comes with 5 legs, but we are only going to use 3. Next, we are going to make the suspension straps. For that, we will need to buy 9 Delta quick links, 6 cam buckles, 13 meters of 25mm webbing, and 6 meters of 4 or 5 millimeters of accessory cord. Let's start with the basic things we'll have to do to transform this to a functional Portaledge. Let's start with the legs. First, you'll have to take about 50 centimeters of accessory cord, make a knot on one side, attach it to one side of the leg, then make another knot on the other one and attach a Delta quick link. And do the same thing on the other side. After you have the knot, put some duct tape to prevent it from moving and to protect from abrasion. Then do the same for all 3 legs. Take another accessory cord, make a loop around the 2 ends of the leg, like so. After we finish with the legs, we're gonna make the suspension straps. We're gonna take about 2 meters of 25mm webbing, and we're going to sew a loop on one end. Then we're gonna put it through the buckle cam and sew another loop on this side, so it can slide like so. And then finally we're gonna take about 40 centimeters of webbing and we're gonna put on this side of the buckle. Here's one loop, here's another one. So we have a loop, the buckle, and this strap that we can adjust. Then you're gonna make 6 of those, and you're going to put 2 of those on one Delta quick link. So we end up with 3 of these double sets. And when you have 3 sets, what is left to do is to put them through a big carabiner, and the suspension straps are ready. Now, after we have the 3 legs ready and the suspension straps also ready, let's try to assemble it all in a situation while I'm here standing on a ledge and I'm not hanging off the wall. I start with the fabric. I take one side, one pole, I put it through the side here and start to pass one side. Now we do the second. After we finish to put the poles inside, we're going to put the legs first. You can see that the legs has 2 sides. One that is a bit open here and another one that's not. We start with this side. So, now we have a bed. But to make it to a Portaledge, we have to put the suspension straps. We're gonna take one end of the strap and connect it to this Delta. We're gonna do the same for the other side. And this is how it looks, just one side. Let's do all the others. To assemble the portaledge on a ledge, it's quite easy. It's get tricky when you have to hang from the wall. So let's see how we're going to do it when we are hanging. Okay, first thing we have to do, we take the suspension, the master point, and we connect it here. I have a sticker on each side showing me which side is the wall and which side is the air side. First, I'm going to take out all the straps and take the fabric. You can see that I put a 2mm accessory cord that I will not lose it down. And I'm taking the first leg also out. Always be careful not to drop anything. And we're going to start with the first pole. You can see that on this side, this is the side of the wall, I've put an extra layer of PVC to protect it from abrasion. This is very recommended. And now for the second pole. All right, now we're going to put the first leg, and we have also here a wall side and an air side. It's written here, air. We start from the air side, and now we're getting to the tricky part. So while hanging, it's very difficult to put this inside. So what are we going to do? We're going to use this part that we put earlier. Take a carabiner, slide it inside and start to twist. You can slide it in, and here we go. That's inside. Otherwise, this is very hard. Take another leg. Be very careful not to drop it. Take the bed. Air side first. Slide that inside, like so. This goes here. You can try to push towards the wall like this, and sometimes that works, like now. And let's take the last leg. Air side first. We're going here, and that's also already easy to put. So we have our bed ready. It's time for suspension side. First, we're going to connect all the wall side straps first. This one is already attached. Second is the green one. Here we go. Now that we have all the wall side connected, let's take the air side. So, air side goes The thing that I found that if you leave everything connected, it's just get a big mess. Now that we have all the straps connected, it's just a matter of adjusting. First I'm going to adjust the wall side a bit, each one. This, and then I'm going to adjust the air side. Now when it looks level, I'm going to put my weight on it. It's very important also to disassemble it and pack it into the bag in a certain way that when we open it, nothing falls and it's easy to assemble. How are we going to do it? First, disassemble the air side. Then take apart the legs by simply pushing them. Put the leg in the bag and take off the strap. Repeat. The last one you keep connected. Now very carefully take out one pole. The end without the string goes first inside. And lastly, the suspension strap. Clip this to here and all this goes nicely in here. Like so, and we are ready to go up or down the wall.